So we are here joined by Mr. Ayush Kumar. Hi Ayush, welcome to the show. How do you feel?
It's feel great, ma'am.
So Ayush, tell us a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your background.
Ma'am, I'm a स्टूडेंट ऑफ आईआईएम यूनिवर्सिटी। मैं जमशेदपुर झारखंड से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं 21 साल का हूँ। मैंने क्रिकेटिंग जर्नी अपनी जमशेदपुर होम टाउन से स्टार्ट की थी। एक छोटे से बैग को लेकर ग्राउंड जाने से लेकर यहाँ तक का सफ़र किया।
You're from Jamshedpur, and Jamshedpur is known for producing a lot of great cricketers,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So when did cricket become your passion?
At the age of 10, when seeing my seniors playing Ranji Trophy, and they were very dedicated. And at that point, we were using 2000 or 3000 around bats, and they were using like 1 lakhs bat. Oh,
School seniors.
यस लाइक कि वो महंगा बैट यूज़ करे तो हमें भी करना है, तो चलो अब तो थोड़ा फोकस करो, तब अच्छे बैट तो अच्छे रन बनेंगे।
See, that's nice to hear. And so you said you started playing cricket at 10.
Yeah.
But at what age did you start doing it a little bit more seriously? And who supported you in those early times?
Ma'am, at the age of 18, I become very focused because my 16 and 19 age group from Jharkhand was gone. I have not played anything from there. So that time it was that ki become focused, and my grandfather, my nana, is very supporting from starting कि आप खेलो।
Okay. Now, what does this moment mean to you of getting selected to the IPL and reaching the auction stage?
It was a very great feeling, ma'am, and it was a dream come true because not playing 16 state, 19 state, and from 23 state to as direct IPL auctions, it was a very dream come true. In within 3 days, all happened.
That was
It was a miracle.
it was that quick.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, how did IIM University Greater Noida supported you in this journey with fitness practices?
Ma'am, from first day only, ILM is very cooperating and supporting to me, that giving attendance कि आप खेलो, आप अपने गेम पे फोकस करो।
So, other than the sports universities, a lot of Indian universities do not consider sports as like a major subject, right? But the national education policy says that we should add music and sports and arts and cultural subjects to integrate them into the curriculum and give our students an overall wholesome experience. What do you think that Indian universities can adopt so that students like you who come from, let's say, a smaller town with big dreams, how do we give you that platform? What should we do?
Ma'am, every institute of university should maintain their students' college mental health, because if 9 to 5 they are in their classes, so they need some space for their mental space. So in activities like cricket, football, so if they engage, their mind will be becoming sharp rather than only using mobiles. At the certain point, every student is only engaged in mobile, and if their body is not working, then it's no worth it.
So, yeah, every sportsman faces challenges,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am.
So, tell us a little bit about your ups and downs so that it is motivating for your juniors and your fellow, students who look up to you. So, मुझे एक anecdote बता दो
Ma'am,
from your life.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं जब 14-15 साल का था, तो उस समय मैं कुछ हो नहीं रहा था। 15 साल से लेकर 19 साल की एज तक में मैंने कुछ किया नहीं। उस समय कॉलेज टाइम भी कॉलेज तो आया नहीं था, कॉलेज टाइम आने वाला था, प्लस साइंस ले लिया था मैंने 10th-12 वाले में। तो उस दिमाग में यही था, या तो पढ़ाई कर लो या तो क्रिकेट छोड़ दो, क्योंकि कुछ दोनों में से कुछ नहीं हो रहा था अच्छा। तो वो एक फेज़ बहुत ख़राब चल रहा था, फिर उस समय किसी का सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा, बट पेरेंट्स का था कि हाँ, वी विल बैक यू, करो, दुनिया क्या बोल रहा है उससे तुमको क्या मतलब है। तो अपना लगे रहो, किसी ना किसी दिन कुछ तो होगा।
So, very lucky to have such great parents.
Yeah, man.
And so, which match or innings so far has been the most memorable for you?
I'm playing a corporate match at Gurgaon with Abhishek Sharma bhaiya, who is currently number 1 T20 batsman. That innings, I have scored 133 with opening with him. That was the most memorable because learning from that batsman and that fearless mindset made my journey from there to here till now.
So, who is your cricketing idol?
Virat sir.
And how has he influenced you?
From our childhood, when we switch on TV, he's batting. From there to till now, he is the consistent man.
Yeah. So, how has he influenced you in your own cricketing journey?
If you want to represent India and at that certain point become a best player, then you have to keep your emotions away and be mentally prepared and become more dedicated towards your game rather than wasting time.
Okay. Now that you're going to get bigger and bigger opportunities, this is just a beginning for you. So, what are your cricketing goals for the next 5 years?
Ma'am, this season I am having one goal of first of all being selected in Mustaq Ali or Vijay Hazare, make a domestic debut first of all, from where I could make a call for India's. And in 5 year, every cricketer's dream is to represent India and wear Indian jersey.
See, from playing from small, gully cricket to reaching an international stage, and Ayush, like Virat Kohli, like Dhoni, like Sachin Tendulkar,
Yes.
your name will be written in golden words in Indian cricket in the future. But from that small gully cricket to the international stage, how would you describe your journey for all of us, including your classmates, your teachers, your friends, neighbors, friends, family? How would you describe that journey for them?
Ma'am, this journey will be decided at be mentally tough, be ready for rejections. Failing is a process to become successful. If you fail 10 times, 11 times you will get success, and that success will be covering all your rejections.
Thank you so much, Ayush. It was really, great talking to you. So, on behalf of the entire IILM family, we wish you great success in the journey ahead, and may you achieve even greater accolades on the way, and make each one of us here at the university and India as a nation proud. Thank you, Melvin. Yeah.